Now that it's gotten so cold, the ground is really starting to freeze, and it's time for you to think about doing winter protection in your garden of things that are what we call marginally hardy or sub-hardy, and then anything that you put in that you conveniently got on sale and that you just planted in and we're a little worried that the temperatures are gonna sort of heat it out of the ground. So all of these things, like I said, are things that you're gonna do after your ground is frozen. That's usually around Thanksgiving. This year it's been a little later since the fall was kind of warm and wet. So what I'm holding right now is what we call a rose cone. And rose cones are for shrubs like hybrid roses that not a lot of us have, or things like butterfly bush, or those sort of marginally hardy perennials that are a little bit woody. And so what you do with a rose cone is you're gonna cut back your plant so that it fits inside. This is made out of like pressed cardboard, and you put it down over the plant, put a brick on it. It's got venting holes, but you want to remember that if we get sort of a warm spell where the temperatures are going to be above, say, 45 degrees for a couple of days, you're going to want to take this off, because as well as it keeps your plant protected, it will also overprotect it, and you don't want to do that. Other things that you can do for those sorts of shrubs or areas in your garden where you're a little worried is you can put down a good layer of mulch. You can use marsh hay or straw, a nice thick layer of that. Or if you have a cut Christmas tree this year after the holidays and you don't know what to do with it, you can cut all those boughs off, and those also make really great winter protection for things like daphne or hardy hibiscus, or azaleas and rhododendrons. So you want to wait. So the points are, you want to wait till the ground is frozen, you want to apply the protection, and then in the spring when it starts to warm up, you want to carefully and sort of gradually remove whatever protective measures you have taken. So get outside. It's supposed to be kind of a little bit nicer this weekend, and protect what needs to be protected. And if you have any questions about particular plants, you can always email our plant desk. The email address is plantdesk@brucecompany.com. Couldn't be easier. You can send them photos if you're not sure what you have and your questions, and we usually answer within 24 hours. So get out there, get your plants protected, and have a great holiday and a safe winter from all of us here at the Bruce Company.